Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, open Quick Settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on Bluetooth and turn off. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list and here showing you Bluetooth. Click, for example, this is Bluetooth, and click on clear and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Bluetooth. After clear cache Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, just click and hold side power button, restart device. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on power saving. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off power saving button. After turn off power saving button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. And click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.